Hey, what's going on, Backyard Smoke? It's your boy James with Liberty and Lincoln. And
Kitty Tiger.
And Kitty Tiger. Now today, we're going to be bringing you guys the beginning of a brand new series called Open Flame Cooks. Open Flame Cooks are when we put the flame up and don't even worry about closing the grill. Our first video today is going to be Queso Brats from Johnsonville. These are going to be awesome and amazing. I'm going to show you guys how we set the grill up and how we go ahead and garnish them with a really cool Chilean salsa. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is set the kettle up. We're going to set the kettle up for a 3-zone cook. Fire's on 2 sides and we're going to have it open straight down the middle. What we're going to do is use B&B lump charcoal. The reason for this is we don't want to burn the sausages. We just want them to cook really well and kind of evenly. And we're going to go. So what we have here are the skewers. I'll leave a link in the description on Amazon where I picked these up at. But we're going to go ahead and skewer these and set up about, I'd say about 10 brats today. 10 brats should be good. The first thing we want to do is put some olive oil on them. This way it helps them slide on a little bit easier and make the cut a little bit smoother. We're trying not to bust the casing of the brat too much. We know we're going to go ahead and penetrate it just to get them on the skewers, but that should be fine. So once we got that done and the grill is set up, we're ready to cook. So come on guys, let's hop on this grill. Alright man, we're coming in for the first flip. Actually, you know what? We're going to get some gloves because these things are hot. Now for our first flip. So these are looking amazing. So now we can start seeing the queso come out. I mean, that's all right. We're doing good. Probably put an aluminum pan underneath to catch the rest, but no big deal. We're living it up. So we'll be back for a little bit of finishing garnishes in a few minutes, probably. All right. So what we're going to do here is take our thermal probe and just poke it right there to see. So we're at 154. We're in the safe zone, but not my favorite zone. Take another one here. 160. So we're in a nice range. We're going to let these rock for about 3 more minutes, and then we're going to put the cheese on top. So let's go. All right. So the last thing we're going to do here, we got this beautiful Chilean sauce. And I can leave the full recipe for this down below. So I'll just drizzle that on. All right, guys. So we are done with our queso brats over a Chilean Pebre Salsa. These look wonderful. We let them just sit down for a minute. We'll take our little cleaver here. Just cut off the side. Oh wow. Go right ahead. Go right ahead. Oh, okay. Go ahead and take that one. Came out well. That's cheese. All right, so these are awesome. Juicy, cheesy. Everything you can ask for in a brat with cheese. So we thank you guys for coming out. If you like, please subscribe. Click the red button and hit that bell for notifications of all the new videos we have to come out. And Libby and Lincoln say goodbye.